Jai Hind everyone once again and welcome to on my official YouTube channel. So first of all guys, you are watching Sure Good. So guys, let's start this video without any further delay. So first of all guys, let me tell you, if you did not to subscribe to this channel still now, so first of all guys, without any hesitations to subscribe to this channel if you want to best preparations and best contents on this YouTube channel. So guys, do subscribe to this channel and keep supporting me guys. And guys, let me very clear, in this videos I will provide you some important formulae on vector 3D, which is recently asked in PYQ questions of your NDA examinations. And guys, you should learn this directly, you should not, and if you have learned, you can also solve your questions within seconds. And in this video I will tell you PYQ questions, as I told you that this is the very most important of vectors 3D chapter, not vectors, this 3D geometry. And guys, this is formula of directions cosines, relations between directions cosine, direction cosines. So guys, you can see also cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. This, where is cos square alpha plus cos square beta, where is cos square, cos alpha is direction ratios, not direction ratio, direction cosine guys, direction cosine, sorry. And the cos square beta is also, so this is the relations between cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. You should learn this now and note down this in your textbooks and learn just now guys. I will suggest you if you are preparing for your examination. And the second one is sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. You can easily find this formula within this. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus cos square beta is equal to 1 minus sin square beta, and also cos square lambda is equal to 1 minus sin square lambda, and 1 plus 3, and this is also there. So guys, and 3 and also 1, 3 minus 1 is also 2. And the third is cos square lambda delta plus cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square lambda is equal to 4 by 3. Guys, I will suggest you should learn this formula. I can assure you everyone should not tell you about this formula. This is very most, and which is, this is PYQ questions of NDA. So guys, you should learn this. And this is also PYQ questions. 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 lambda is equal to 1. If you have learned this formula, you can easily find out the answer of these questions. How? I am telling you, just a minute. When you will subtract second in the first, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, so the formula, this formula interpret of cos 2 theta, suppose that cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. You are also aware this is the formula of cos 2 theta. So then you will solve this, and this also you can find easily the answer of these questions. I hope you guys you will like these videos and also share these videos. And guys, please support me, and guys, I really need your support because my channel is not growing, and a lot of days I am struggle on this channel. So guys, please, you can understand easily. So guys, please, I only required once, but only subscribe to this channel and keep sharing guys, so that guys you can easily See, this content is not copying from anywhere. This is my unique content. I will prepare this content by myself. So you should watch and completely watch these videos. And thanks a lot, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. Keep smiling, guys. Stay tuned with me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.